Hi everyone, welcome back to Highlights at Home, where we have another new collection of free digital Fun with a Purpose resources. The theme for this new pack-up is Welcome to Summer, because summer is finally officially here. Now, our objective with Highlights at Home has been to help you keep your idea bank full of suggestions of fun things you can do with your children, and we've loved doing that for you all these weeks. But I want to remind you that sometimes the most special, most magical moments between a parent and a child happen when we are a little less busy, when we pause from our activities and we find the right time and the right space to be fully present with our children, and we invite them to talk about their thoughts and feelings. I hope that early this summer you can find the right time and place to have a moment of reflection with your kids. And when you talk, you might invite them to share with you what they're thinking about for summer 2020, what kinds of things they'd like to do, with a focus on the activities and experiences that stretch them and help them grow and help them explore new interests. To help you with that conversation, we've included a checklist here. It's shaped like a sand bucket to help you and your family create a summer bucket list. And it will help you begin to think about all the possibilities summer 2020 offers us. Now, as we go into a celebration of summer, you're going to need a banner. We've also included here a craft idea to help your kids create a banner for summer that you can hang somewhere in your home to remind you all that this is a time of transition and a time of being together in new ways and enjoying one another's company. When you talk with your children, consider using one of the prompts we've included here for drawing, writing, and thinking. Ask your kids, if summer were a color, what would it be? Can you name 5 sounds we hear in summer that we don't hear in winter? Ask them which one is their favorite. Oh, and a heads up, the hidden pictures puzzle here might spark in somebody a craving for watermelon. From all of us at Highlights, stay healthy, stay hopeful. Check back in for more free resources. We hope you have a great summer. Take care.
Hey parents, find more great videos on Highlights for Grown-ups, the channel that helps you help your kids be their best selves.